Welcome to Mudchute Farm.
Golden Hook.
Howdy, welcome to Mudchute Farm on the Isle of Dogs. We tried this last week. It was pouring down the rain and there was not a soul here. We decided to leave it till the sun went, then come to Mudchute Farm. This week we came back, and this week it's a lot busier. A little bit of sun and suddenly there's 9,000 people. We film with it. Guys are fine. Those guys over there can stay over there because I'm extremely allergic to them. I'm probably going to be itching like crazy, but we did discover last week squirrels, and the squirrels are very friendly, and Tora forgot to bring nuts with her and she got really upset. So this week she has nuts. Yeah? They are some feet. Look at them. Why does it say do not feed the donkeys? Because they're definitely not donkeys. They're definitely ducks. Also, it's not a very big pond. That's as close as I'm getting to that. Okay, that's my limit. That's as close as I can get. I can feel it. I can get.
Would you like me to come closer?
I can get to there and I can feel it itching the back. So my dad's aunt had a farm where they kept sheep, and it took many years before I actually realised I'm allergic to sheep's wool. I used to spend most of my holidays down in the farm itching like crazy and going bright red. No one could ever work out why I was ill all the time, bright red. It turned out I'm allergic to sheep wool. Itchy. That's nasty. I don't like sheep. Oh good, even more. No. They had the same reaction last week. Ooh, funky. This is what we saw from the distance last week, and I went, you can see the dinosaur in them, can't you? What every good farm needs, an essential, an artillery gun. A 3.7-inch AK gun, to be more precise. Why? Why? Keeps the poachers away, I guess. Extreme for stopping the foxes from attacking your chickens. I'm not allergic to you. You're cool. Although you look rather fed up. What's the matter? What's the matter? Why are you sad? Really that funny? They are big mallards. They really are huge. I've never seen a mallard. They must be crossbred mallards. They're That's what mallard duck is supposed to look like. But somehow I think you guys and the Owsley ducks up there have crossbred and they've got giant mallard geese. Is that what's happened? I'm going to see the goats. Hello, mister. Hello. Oh, nice seat. Hello. Hi, how are you? You don't want to be on camera. Hello, how are you? You are cool. You are seriously cool. Like, you are seriously cool. I like the hairdo and everything.
I like your trousers.
Yeah, yes. The whole outfit's cool.
Oh, I like them too. One's in black.
Did you film them? Film the rams for me.
Hello. Do you want me to do the video of the alpaca? Help. Can I have the nuts, please? Are they snatching today?
Because they're afraid of being touched.
You've got one in your mouth already, little one.
Back again. You want more?
Different script.
Different squirrels. There we go. That is Mudchute Farm on the Isle of Dogs in two completely different sort of weathers. If you're going to come here, come in the rain. There's no one here. And the animals are far more like temperate. Thumbs up, comments. If you're not already, hit the subscribe button. And we'll be back again with more. Probably more squirrels now that Tori's remembered to bring nuts with it. Goodbye. No. Bye. Howdy. It's UK, it's London. There's a squirrel. There's a pigeon, but there's a squirrel. You gonna do the intro? Hello, London. I'm Squirrel. And
on the hazelnuts, get some better finish.
ah, your star. She's forgotten them. Here, Tora. Hazelnut. There you go.
Yay.
Tora's finally. She's forgot the nuts again, and so. Let's do. See, somebody came prepared. Aren't you glad that you found somebody that came prepared? The moment we got here, they've all gone in to be fed and been put away. So we're doing really well. This time, I'm making definite sure I'm not using the mod. And I'm sure it's recording because I can see on the back of the screen there's a red dot. Whereas with the mod on, there's no displays, there's no way of telling if it's on or not. That's the screaming children. Oh yeah.
What's it beginning of the Stray Kids song?
Sorry?
Her noise is the beginning of Mirror. It's in perfect pitch.
Clearly some are more shy than others. What's the matter? This is very weird to use. Did you find that? You didn't move very much, did you?
No, that was confusing. I didn't know where it was coming from.
No, it also, if you do that, yeah, it's not filming, yeah? You look at the camera, look at this, you're filming there, but you're looking there, so the whole time you end up looking like that. And because it's such a close angle, you end up filming up there, and all it does is films your chin. It is filming again.